ABF, or Associated British Foods, has this morning produced some good numbers, driven in part by its ownership and the performance of its retail chain, Primark. Let's take a look at the figures. ABF is one of the biggest gainers on the market, which I'll show you in just a minute. It recorded a 22% increase in revenue to £17 billion. Total sales at Primark up a whopping 43%, bucking the high street trend. That rose to £7.7 billion. Adjusted operating profit for the group was up 42% to just shy of £1.5 billion. The dividend up 8% as well for the full year. The group, however, reiterated its forecast for a drop in profit in the current 2023 year due to higher energy and currency costs and consumers declining disposable income. But this doesn't seem to have dented the performance on shares this morning. We have a look at where we are. Long-term picture for ABF was an issue, but in fact, since we've seen a full return to retail shopping on from the post-COVID issues, Primark has really performed well. The stock is currently up 4.5%. You can quite clearly see here this rise we've seen in the stock, all the way up at one point to the highs we've seen today at £15.22. Now, that was the highest print we saw in shares since the 1st of September. So it's clear from the numbers we've seen out today for this fiscal year that's just closed that Primark has done exceptionally well coming back into the market post that COVID lockdown. But the overall performance of the group demonstrating the strength of this opportunity here for investors. How much further upside is still yet to be determined, bearing in mind the slowdown in consumer confidence, the slowdown in consumer spending more importantly, but nothing seems to be denting the effects of the overall spending at Primark. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.